Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Life360 circle name. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your Life360 circle name, tap open your Life360 app and make sure that you're logged in first. Once you're inside, tap on the gear button located at the upper left-hand corner. From the settings menu displayed on the next page, tap on Circle Management under Family Settings. Now, under Circle Details, tap on Edit Circle Name. Delete the existing name and type in a new one, and tap on the Save button at the upper right-hand corner and save your changes like that. Now, you'll be able to see that your circle name has been changed. Pretty easy, right? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.